So it all started, I had some bananas, and I go, what can I do with that? Got yogurt, butter, banana, cinnamon, eggs, little vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, flour, and powdered sugar. Start off with your softened butter, a little sprinkle of powdered sugar, then banana, nice and ripe and sweet. Blend. Cinnamon, a nice hefty amount of cinnamon. 2 eggs. Now for some wholesome goodness, we got some flaxseed and some oats. And a little bit of cinnamon yogurt, vanilla. Blend, blend, blend. This batter was so good. Final ingredient is our flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Just kidding! We have some dark chocolate chunks. And one more bonus. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's bring out our 10-inch chef knife to pop open the bottle of bourbon. Stir it up. Heard that? Oven's ready at 375 to 400. Yes, toaster oven. Yeah, heard me. And that's the story. Buon appetito.